I'm with Wayne here from Makita, and he's going to show us a really neat system of roto hammers that have dust extraction and the various kinds of dust extraction that they have.
Well, a lot of people thinking about dust extraction now, especially with the new silica standards that OSHA has set. So Makita has a lot of different options for you to get OSHA compliant and still be productive, drill a lot of holes in concrete. This is a solution where the dust extraction, actually the vacuum, is built onto the tool. So you're getting a lot of mobility there. Wherever you go, the rotary hammer and the vacuum goes, and it is OSHA compliant. It's OSHA compliant because it's got a filter cleaning mechanism on it. So that's an 11/16 cordless solution that's also OSHA compliant. Now perhaps you want more mobility but more capacity as well. We've got a backpack vacuum that's cordless. It's powered by 2 batteries. And today we've got that cordless vacuum hooked up to our 11/16" rotary hammer. Now, we also have something else at work here too. There's a Bluetooth chip here and a Bluetooth chip over here. When I hit the trigger right here, the vacuum powers up, and you'll hear it here in a moment. So you can hear the vacuum power.
Right. Yeah, that's really neat.
So there's no cords there. You simply just hit the trigger, and the vacuum powers up. And you can see how the shroud creates a seal on the concrete and it captures the dust. There's that great hashtag, of course, I wish I'd made up, but don't be the filter. Don't be the filter out there. You really want to catch this stuff. And that's it. Makita has more solutions for dust extraction to get compliant.
Excellent. Okay, thank you, Wayne.
All right, thank you.
I'll put a link in my video description for the Makita 11/16" rotary hammer with anti-vibration technology. I'll also put links for Makita Hepa vacuum attachments, and I'll put a link for a kit that includes both the rotary hammer and the vacuum attachment. I'll also put links for innovative dust extraction solutions such as this Hepa dust extractor, which you can turn on and off with your foot. Thanks. I hope this video was helpful.
Driving down.
Thanks for watching.
So those contractors can help meet their 1025.